I am honored to be here and to have this opportunity to swear in Chingona Fire. That's your new name. Assemblymember Sade Elhawary. Your history as a fighter, as a champion for justice, your experience was pivotal in founding the Nelson Mandela School for Social Justice. Your terrific history and background is exactly the type of a person that we want to be in office. Assemblywoman Sade Elhawary.
I often joke and tell folks that I've been involved in local politics since I was in elementary school when I was elected student body president. But in reality, what really had an impact on me and what makes me who I am to the core of my being, I credit that to being in drill team since the 2nd grade. It taught me everything I needed to get to this moment. So let's do this. Are y'all ready? I said, are y'all ready? El pueblo unido jamás será vencido. El pueblo unido jamás será vencido. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here with us today, for celebrating.
There's very few people, like they say, that they're there for the glamour. My daughter have nothing of that. She's here to work with people, and I know she will do it. And I know that as a community, we have to work very hard to make sure that she continue there, and she's given the opportunity to go to the rest, because the higher you are, the more you can do. And I know my daughter will not fail anyone.